Hello my friends, it's Ingunn again, out in the woods. I want to share with you an easy trick I have to connect with nature. I don't know, some people say we can connect with nature, some say we are already connected. I don't know, but with my trick it feels like I'm connecting with the nature around me. And what I do, if I'm walking and I notice I'm thinking about what should I make for dinner tomorrow, what happened yesterday, and the mind goes do 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 do. Then I stop and I realize I'm out in nature, and I ask nature to show itself to me. And the way I do it, I ask it to show me its faces. So while I'm busy thinking, planning everything, it's like a switch. When I ask nature to show its faces, it's like a switch, and I don't know what happens, but suddenly they are all over the place. And it's so funny, and it makes me, I don't know, it makes me smile, it opens my heart, it's just so good. So I can show you one behind here. Let's say if you say maybe like this. I just met him on the way, so I had to show him, say hello to the friend in the stones. And then I can show you another one in a tree here. So see if you can see it in the tree, and it's just so beautiful. So that was all for me today. Thank you for watching, and I see you in my next video. Bye.